The ultimate Stepfulcom reviews tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you want to earn rewards or cashback online, most people get this wrong by trying random sites that overpromise. The surprising truth about Stepfulcom is that it's a platform that tracks your purchases and activities to help you earn points, cashback, or discounts efficiently. First, create an account. You won't believe how quick it is. Just enter your email, set a password, and connect your shopping accounts or apps to start tracking rewards automatically. Next, explore partner merchants. Most people get this wrong by skipping this step, but Stepful lists numerous stores, from major retailers to niche online shops. Each purchase at a partner store earns you points or cashback, and some promotions double your rewards. Check your dashboard regularly. The surprising truth is that monitoring your activity helps you maximize earnings. Stepful provides real-time tracking of purchases, points earned, and pending rewards, so you know exactly what to claim. Finally, redeem your rewards. You won't believe how easy it is. Points can be converted to gift cards, PayPal cash, or discounts on future purchases. The key is to be consistent and strategic, focusing on high-reward partners and seasonal promotions. In conclusion, Stepfulcom can take you from 0 to pro in earning rewards online. By setting up your account, exploring merchants, tracking activity, and redeeming rewards wisely, you can make your shopping more profitable and efficient. Smart use ensures consistent benefits without extra effort.